gone from Arsenal to Manchester City.
One more. Don't celebrate yet.
Until it's over, we keep going.
Manchester City, history makers.
All the way from Kirgum Municipality, Agago District Primary School team have emerged victorious in Uganda Primary Schools Athletic Championship. This has not been a new thing in Agago District, and this year again, 2024, they have trimmed over all the districts in the country to bring back the lovely trophy into the district, retaining the glory of the Kori Padiji. Congratulations to Agago District for this wonderful maintenance. And on the other hand, outside Uganda, I know most of you are fans of the English Premier League. Manchester City have beaten West Ham 3-1, and Arsenal also won 2-1. This means Manchester City has lifted the trophy with 91 points, which is ahead of Arsenal by 2 points. The citizens have set a new record of lifting it 4 in a row, which no team had done in England. And also, a big congratulations to those who wished Man City to win, and also sorry to those who wished Arsenal to win. Thank you, and that is our sports roundup. Stay focused, stay subscribed. More contents are on the way.
Manchester City, history makers.